No one else in the industry right now has the people with the knowledge of draglines that we do. Nobody. CCC Group was founded almost 68 years ago now. We started out as a commercial outfit and switched in the late 60s into industrial and have been growing and prosperous ever since. We've been in mining and mining machineries for over 45 years. We built our first dragline way back. CCC Group's long history across all of the industries we work for, but specifically with mining, has allowed us to consolidate core knowledge that is unique to our division. We have historical archives that stretch back those 45 years that supply us with history and information and data on different machine types, different machine models, necessary information on modifications and relocation costs, weights, things like that. We have the best people in the industry working for us. We've moved every dragline in the last 5 years in North America. So the people who know dragline relocations work for CCC Group. They work for our division here. The current management team has over 450 years of experience, and that's cutting it off at the foreman level and above. That's not counting our core craft employees, which the division has been fortunate enough to get a collection of dedicated craftsmen that follow our jobs, and their expertise is just as critical when it comes to putting in that single weld as the guy who's running the project. And it's those guys and their day-to-day experiences that make them the experts. They know the quality, they know the practices, they know the specifications for the machine. On the management side, we know the time, we know the cost, we know the man hours, down to the dollar, down to the half hour we can estimate with that kind of accuracy. And combine that with the technical knowledge, it allows us to put together the most comprehensive projects that could be addressed for an owner. When we present a bid, we've got it covered. We have captured their scope of work completely because we have seen or lived through or worked on that item before. We know. And those guys that work for us in the field, they know. And they do a fine job at it. All of those upfront planning and project controls along the way during the project and things like that, everything that CCC Group does from the moment we get the bid package and we study through it and to the project closer meeting, 2 months after we've demobilized, everything has all of our capabilities applied to it, all of our knowledge, all of our history, everything that we've learned. And the brilliant people that we have the privilege of working with on the owner's side are complemented by our experience, and it just helps deliver an overall project that's smooth. This company is built and relies on long-term relationships and maintaining those positive client relationships. That has been the core of our business. We've done work for some of our customers now for 60 years. The mining division has repeat clients now that are over 35 years doing business with us. In our division alone, we've moved every one of their machines. They don't call anybody else. And it's not because we can't deliver the project and make sure that they have the best job, it's because they trust that we will do right by them and we will deliver that project to meet their standards. And that's something that this company has always known, that's how you treated your client, you treated your customer that way, and you earned their business back. We don't view any project as a one-off. That's not how we do business. We do business where the customer is satisfied and everyone turns over a good project, and we want to come back for the next one. We are the best, most capable contractor for heavy mining machinery relocations and erections in the world. What CCC Group can deliver that no one else can bring to the table is our people. The experts that work for this division that we can put together in a team to deploy to your project are second to none, and no one else has them.